Afenyo Markin of Afenyo. Power with the biggest of the group. Power with the biggest of the group. And editing, I was like that.
A businessman, while the accused person in the dock, Francis Comey, is a resident of Sanko and a sales boy at the complainant's shop located at Osubonpin. My lady, the accused person who is in the dock is in charge of collection of cash as well as distribution of cement to customers. On the 15th April 2025, at about 7:30 a.m., the complainant, after taking stock, detected that accused person had sold 100 bags of cement amounting to 10,000 Ghana cedis without rendering account. The complainant in this case, my lady, reported the case to Divisional Police Headquarters at Winneba. An accused person was apprehended. My lady, after careful investigation, the accused was charged with offense before you.
If the court will be pleased, Afenyo Markin for the accused. Lord, with me is my learned friend, Isaac Inso. Lord, he is an able junior at the bar, and since this is a bail application, if my Lord will be pleased, I will yield to him for the application to be made. I mean, Lord, let me also apologize for appearing before you naked. There was some other administrative work in the firm I was doing, and I was called that there is this emergency that I have to rush to this honorable court. Having obliged me, my Lord, I shall resume my seat and pray that you hear my respected colleague who shall make the application for bail. My Lord, before we proceed, my Lord, I think that earlier he was not represented at the police station. According to him, the CID told him that when he comes, he should plead guilty with explanation. That is the only way the court will forgive him of his sins. But having listened to him, my Lord, I do not think his real intent is to plead guilty with explanation. His plea is not guilty, and that is what the conclusion is after having access to counsel. The police cajoled him earlier. As you know already, my lord, they always want a shortcut to justice. So, my lord, you may take his plea again, because that one was what the police prosecutor told him that he should say to the court for speedy trial, and you would have mercy, not knowing the consequences of saying that to the court. I thank you, my lord.
Not guilty.
Francisco, you have been arraigned for this
You know the guy.
stealing, contrary to section 124 of the criminal
Say that. Say that.
Act 2096.
He has a fixed place of
And this is the particular of Francisco, you were so for the second year of
available to start trial. There's no evidence against him, so he just forgets that he has surety. He sure it is.
dishonesty
There's a fixed place of abode. And there's no movement to the law. You said there's no
Are you guilty or not guilty? Or you are guilty?
not
My Lord, respectfully, the accused person has capable men and women who will be willing to stand in as surety. He has a fixed place of abode. He's new to the law.
He's not known.
He's not known to the law. And respectfully, I pray
Stand trial. You come to, you appear before
he will appear before you
to stand trial.
to stand trial.
That's what I saw.
Anytime the case is being called.
I therefore pray for bail.
I therefore pray for bail for the accused person.
Thank you.
Humbly submitted, my Lord.
My Lord, with respect,
My lady,
My Lord,
I
with respect,
oppose-
my Lord,
oppose-
my Lord, with respect.
oppose for the bill.
my Lord, with respect, I'm on my feet. Yes. My Lord, this is not a matter that prosecution should attempt opposing bail. You cannot use bail or otherwise as a punishment. This posture of always praying to the court for remand is not the way to go. The Lord, all he's going to say is that you should remand the accused. To what benefit would it be if you remand the accused? The Lord, I'm not saying deny him hearing, but that is exactly what he's going to do.
My lady, the accused person here is not his first time. He's known to the court. And also, he was a storekeeper to a certain gentleman by name Joseph Ankobra, also in Winnipeg here. So my appeal to the court is that the accused person should be remanded into prison custody. Because when he is granted bail, you go and collect the money that he claimed he has credited some of the cement to his customers. This is my appeal to the court.
My Lord, how does a grant of bail lead to the situation the prosecution is inviting this court to believe. He is not saying that the accused would interfere with his investigation. That would have been a compelling point. But you have all the facts. In any event, it's been days. What is stopping him from prosecuting the matter? He's come here, he's not ready. Where are your witnesses? There are no witnesses here. You don't file a witness statement. Then all you say is that he should be remanded for some other reason. My Lord, please, this is an invitation that will lead you to nowhere. It's a temptation. My Lord should refuse this temptation and restore the liberties of the accused person. What they've not told you is that all these days they've kept him in custody. That sells nothing to shower, even to ease himself is a problem. They've kept him over there. It's difficult to even have access to counsel. And they thought he was coming here to plead guilty so that they will have a shortcut, as they usually cajole people to do. 3 days of no food, only water, my Lord. And he want 3 days of no food and only water. And you say you should go back into custody when you are not ready to prosecute. You are not ready to prosecute. He should be ready to prosecute. Then we'll be here. We are ready. Bring your witnesses. My Lord, please refuse that invitation.
Jurisdiction. Prosecution is ordered to comply with disclosure formalities. The suit is adjourned to 9th May 2025 for PMC.
Most grateful, my lady.
My Lord, we don't know whether to thank you
They said
or
you should bring a
to
traditional
say
leader.
any other thing. But my Lord, this is your court. This is your court. It's your decision. We can't say your bail conditions are onerous, but we say may you live long. We would endeavor to comply. Johnson.
Honorable is being seated inside.
So we are going to do a moot court. Miss Eba, I wish I would announce myself as the counsel for that.
So inspection is going to take place inside the room. Wow, this is very, very beautiful. Ultramodern. It's very, very beautiful. Ultramodern. Hey, Charlie. You know, see one. Get down. It's very, very beautiful.
We climb out from here. Let's go.
What's that? I'm supposed to lead them.
No, you might come. You might come. So ask them that they talk.
Would it? Like, okay. For sure.
Is the door opening properly now?
Yes,
Remember
yes,
when I came
yes,
to you?
yes. You've done all the necessary question.
We've done it.
Yes, please.
No, it's not.
You see, you haven't fixed it.
What?
You haven't fixed it.
Go to alignment from. Must do the right thing.
Okay, first servant.
So this is how the courtroom look like. Very, very beautiful. Yeah. So this is how the ultra-modern courtroom look like. Yes, this is how it look like. This is how beautiful it look like. The inside. This is how the inside look like. So that's where the judge will be seated. Very, very nicely. So let's go to the other side. So because this is where the people will be seated nicely. This is where the people will be seated nicely. Yeah, you can see that the person that will be brought to court. This is where he or she will be, and then this is where the judge will also be. Yeah, Mr. Honor. So this is how it will be. Yeah, let's get in. So this is outside of the courtroom. This is how the outside look like. Yeah. Is being done. So now they are going to the downstairs. This person is being done beautifully. So they are going to the downstairs. So now they are going to the next place to inspection the rest of the place.
Okay, sure. Yeah, sure.
So this is another room, the court. So the judge will be here. Yes. And then the two people also, so you can see that Yes.
I think when I was going, straight to White House.
Sina.
And some was a cafaba. Oh, yeah, you know.
So, Honorable Afenyo Markin is out from the court. Yes, in the mute court. After the commission. So, thank you. You didn't come here. First. Going for looks up the go in front.
Look at you, Hannah. Why? Why? Yeah. Okay, no. See to that you repaint it.
The cell. Yes. I think the first one here.
So this is the cell. This is the cell. So this is another cell with a washroom inside. Yes. So.
Let's go.
Okay, now.
Lock your mouth.
Stop.
Na another pay. Agwe, simpa. I pay impa, anabo mamotano for one basokran. Just I pay in pan for one basokran. Full frying say, I pay in pan for one basokran. Every time I flinch him, Nayani, Nashani. Impostra Afenyo. About you made him dead with simple motor. Muabamo, president with simple motor. Na simpano ani ye president mbabo president we simpomam wa pata to semada abono bon wanwa Jesus amo mu sisi bibi kwame nkuma mu sisi bibi nche dwumadi me di kwa fan aba wa betun mbabo president bon na simpomam na atomada to no mo bon teche so kra an ba so kra no ansamanfo na yani na ashani an fa an ba so kra no an ba so kra no gogo ko nso ya cha manya bra o.
Have a seat.
Hello. Your Ladyship, Honorable MP, officers hearing gathered, Nananong, all protocols observed. As we commission this project, it is my hope and prayer that we are here to see more developments. We are here to see all, and at the end of the day, we will give thanks and praise not only to the Almighty, but also to the handiwork of Honorable Afenyo Markin. I also pray that given the projects and infrastructure we have in Winneba, in the not too distant future, we will call for a metropolitan status. I know there are metropolitan assemblies that do not even have what we have. And so we have come of age. There's a need for us to push for the metropolitan status. As we live here, we are living with very fond memories of the achievements of the Honorable MP. little did I know that we have in our midst the mother of the Honorable MP here. The last time I took a brochure of the Honorable MP's